Here we are. Oh, I forgot something. Oh, that was quick, Eddie. Damn. You're the quickest in the West. I barely put that tweet out. So you were really quick on that one. But I need my charging cable for my phone so I can keep an eye on the chat. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing some programming. Might not get too many people showing up, but it's nice having you here at least. And I need a charger. There we go. And now I'm unsure where I want to put my phone, because I'm gonna use my entire keyboard this time, compared to when I'm playing something. There we go. But how are you, Eddie? I hope it's going well for you. And I'm just ready to go. Good. Ooh, a frozen pizza. Mmm. So, you haven't really gotten anything to eat yet, I can guess. I haven't heard about that one. Maybe you need to show me a little about it. Yeah, I definitely wanna get into some more stuff with, yeah, that goes a little towards this with both, yeah, the programming and all. It's nice to play games and all, but I just can't ignore programming. It's would be nice. Discord is a little sluggish. Order. Wait, now I'm just checking my system real quick. There's something that's really using my GPU. It makes sense because I'm streaming, but oof. Oh yeah, it's why. That's why it's encoding my video. 90% usage. But I'm just gonna be sitting here, relaxing, and just enjoying the company with anyone that comes in. I feel like that's enough waiting. Gonna switch it over. Boop. Then I got my basic ass setup here. I'm actually gonna do some development work on some dev tools that I'm gonna use in some future tutorials of how to program the Gameboy. Let's see, is the stuff as it should be? I still need to complete this thing, but nah. It'll be another time. Right now it's just the tools that I wanna get going. So first of all, I would like to have some kind of register view that I can print onto the screen. That means I need font. I need to load in a font to actually display it. How would I manage to do that? I could load it in and display it with the window, because I don't want to clog up the screen. And you know what, it doesn't really matter. If I do, I can just clear stuff out from video memory, just display what I want to print, and then when the user clicks a button I can return to what it was before without gobbling up anything. Would mean they need to make sure that there is some memory stuff can get put over to. But wait, no, actually not. If it's not a well advanced game, they wouldn't take advantage of all of the video memory. So I could easily do some stuff here by, again, defining some characters. Just move over the ones I replace. That means I need to find some space to store them, but should be fine. Let me just have a little text document so I can actually write down what I want to do. First, register view that gets printed onto the screen. I can start out with a really simple one though. I just overwrite stuff. Yeah. So test. Yeah. TXT. There we go. And I would like to have register viewer. It's not really needed in the emulator I'm using, but it's nice to see at certain points without stepping through the program. So this is definitely something I want to do, but then I can easily print what's in the registers, go out, and if the user wants to, they can print even more onto the screen in a new field. And that's identified by having a value in the high memory that's on the system. So I need to have some tasks for that. Can I just find the dot somewhere there? Okay. Now I can definitely see that this is just a label to remind me. Then the dots tell me what I need to do to actually make that happen and how I want it to look. So print register values onto the screen. A debug font is needed. Used by any debugging tool. No, used by all debugging tools. And it's initialized. Oh wait, I can't type. Initialized, and for the first time debug mode is entered, or debug system. The debug call is run at execution of debugging. Debugging. Initialize the execution of debugging code. So then it just fills stuff out. Hey! How's it going? I'm gonna be a little nerd here today, so expect me just clapping a little, just talking a little to myself to figure stuff out. But yeah, also feel free to just chat with me. I always like chats, as you know. Aww. Well, then you should give it a try. Indeed. But Eddie, you would be able to do this as well. It is really low level, but I think you would be able to actually get your head around it. But most of the time it's just poking values into memory and just modify them. So it isn't that difficult most of the time, it's just working with that data that you actually have. That's the most difficult thing about all this. Well, you have your own things as well, facts, so I get that coding isn't quite your style. Okay, I would like to have a memory dump as well, where I can see what's inside of memory at a specific location and onwards. That's gonna take two variables. A 16-bit one that specifies the address, and an 8-bit one that specifies how many bytes need to be read. And then it's just gonna dump it onto the screen. Ooh. Pizza time, you see? So I would like a no dump. Memory. Oh yeah, Eddie. Did you know that Crystal were interested in this stuff? For when I start talking a little about it, he gets a little interested. Wanna see what's going on with it. I think it's adorable. I would actually like to. So it has it separate here when I compile it, like so, and you can see how many bytes it's used. Superb. Ooh. What did you get? What did you get, Fox? Who is it? Oh. I'm definitely not gonna remember any of them because I've only just checked up on the series, so I haven't really watched anything. I would like to have a little hex view as well, so I can just keep track of what's going on. You could just do it now if you want to. Then I'll take a look after stream or just on my phone. Wow, so much code. Oh. This stuff over here isn't even gonna stay. It's just to check if I could have done something in a way I wanted to. Just have a label inside the debug, assembly, and another local one that I could just navigate over to after including it. And it worked. Nice, Eddie! I know you got pizza. Some delicious pizza. Wait, I could have that. Actually, the 8-bit value that I actually give it, I could have it used to specify how many rows I want. But then I can print out how much data is now. So I can have I have a limited screen area. It is 32 by 30, I think it is. Oh, that's the entire area. So 90 in... Oh, it's 20 in width and... That's 20 and 80. So 20 tiles wide, 80 tiles tall for the view window, or the view of the tile tape, or the name table. Background map. Should I just say that instead? I need to get my terminology correct. Ain't good if I just mangle stuff together, not knowing what to say. But I got 20 by 80 area that I can see at once. So that means if I want a memory viewer, it's gonna be taken 5 tiles in itself in the beginning to specify what address it is. I could clump stuff together, but that's gonna use up more area on the tile map, which I don't want to. So I'm gonna use 5 tiles in width. I have 1 blank, so that's 6. 6 of those tiles are gone because I can't use them for anything else. Then the remaining, what was it? My math is terrible today. Oh wait. The remaining 14, that's what I can use. I'm gonna divide that by 3 so I can have 4 bytes shown at once. No more, no less. Well, I can do less, but no more than 4 bytes. I could also write out the first address on the first line, and then just fill out the rest with what's in memory. So that's gonna give me 20 divided by 4. 3. So that's gonna give me 6 positions each for a value. That's a little more acceptable. But the math is gonna be a little annoying, because it is even, but it isn't quite the way I would like. I could use a simple compare function for it, but yeah, I'm gonna figure that out. Show starting address and followed by 6 bytes per row. That's it. Sweet. Followed by 6 bytes per row. Max. Then I want to specify where I want to be loaded from in the beginning. So I'm gonna use, as I said, a 16-bit address that specifies that, so I can show anything in memory from 0 to 65,000. Not 60. I can't even remember. How much is the max? 65,535. I'm looking for another dots, but I shouldn't. Don't waste too much time. Beginning address a word, aka 16 bytes. Okay. Yeah. And the amount. Right. It's true. It's a byte. Yeah. The byte. I would say so. Would make sense. I'm fixing up one of my old cousins. He got converted into a Gameboy. It was back when the war against the primogenitals was still going. They converted him into a handheld console. And the only thing he can do now is running Game Boy code. Yeah, memory dump and a register viewer. Well, we can replace parts. We don't really have different bodies we can choose. I can do some more documentation work later. I know what I want to do with this and also this. So little. I would like to find some 8x8 fonts I can use, because I don't want to program all that in myself. Gotta have some of the basics, like double colon, whatever. The numbers 1 through 9 with 0, of course, and then A through F. 0, 9, A to F, then colon, something, like, you know, that character. 8x8 font, bitmap font, yeah. I should be able to use something like this. Yeah, possibly. Basic. Can I just take this? It is actually set up in a simple enough format. I could just take this. Need to rewrite it a little bit so I can loaded in correctly, but other than that, it's basically perfect. I can just take these lines. I need this one as well. And also this. Can I get it there? I'm just gonna take the entire outfit now, just so. Then I can remove this. And then all I need to do is dB for data byte. I need to replace all this as well. Actually, I should be able to do this. Find in this, I want to take that, replace it with nothing. Same with this one. I want to take 0x, replace it with this character, and then I just need to go in and oh, can I remember my keys? Not quite. D, and then I got take this and just take it away. Now I got the data that I actually need for that. The characters. You know what? I'm gonna keep this just to memorize what it is. I'm gonna take this to the end so I can easily specify it with hex 10. So I got that data correctly. Now I gotta store it. Actually, I can keep it in the bottom. Why not? Then I need to set what? A label down so I can load it when it's needed. The first thing I want to do is the register viewer. Oh, I actually need more. I also have register H and L that I would like to print out as well. So that doesn't quite cut it. H, L. So I'm gonna take this one as well. And L. Then I'm gonna do the same thing again. Place that. Find this, replace it with nothing. Same there. Go in and check that. And I have register A, B, C, D, E, and F, H, and L. I have a colon to say that's the address. And then I also have these again to specify the value that's inside that register. Yeah. But what type of format is this in? Is Is it just a simple... Yeah, it is a simple as thing like this. If I did it myself, I could lower the memory usage a good deal, but I don't want to be bothered. I'm just gonna have it like this and just copy it over. I could remove the 0 at the end, because that's not needed either. But it is a simple little stop, but yeah, there's zeros in the letters, so it wouldn't be good. I'm gonna remove it. Like so. So I have the font theme that's 7 bytes wide. The Gameboy isn't quite structured in the way to actually take it like that, but I can just load it once, put it in to the 2 locations that it needs to specify the actual color, which is dark green, complete dark green actually. So 1 byte does 2 writes into 2 separate locations beside each other. Oh? Hasha! Hey! Well, it's the first time you actually got over to one of my streams. I'm doing great. You just catched me doing some nerdy programming. Hopefully it's not too boring. Normally you would end up being going to bed or something when I start doing something on Twitch, but that's not it. I'm not big-brained, no. Which view? For register view? And if you want to ask questions, go ahead. I'm all ears. And I'm more than happy to actually explain what's going on. You're not the only one that actually said that. There's also Nico Fox Spirit that was in here as well that said the exact same thing. My brain is too tiny. And hush! You just need to write to me, then I'm basically free at any time at that point. Like, you just need to come over at any time. Enjoy yourself. 80 boy. And again, surprised to see you, Hash. Now I'm just going back and forth. Help me. And also, wait, I'm going in loops. I'm happy to see you as well. Oh, I don't even need to do something special here. Oh, I can just have this. Yes. Because when I wanna view the registers, I just pump them out to the screen. But first, to secure myself, I wanna push everything onto the stack, so I'm not screwing up data. BC and push AF. All the registers are saved, so I can easily work. And then when I get further down, I need to have these back off again. And BC up DE up HL. If I don't, stuff is gonna break quick. And then return that. Just working through this bit by bit, as it should be. So if I wanna do this, I need to go in, load HL up with some data. So load HL with the data from, let me see, I wanna find out. Oh, I need a better game plan for that. I don't wanna jump just straight into it. First of all, I would like to decode what's in A and print it out. So to do that, I would need to decode what's in A to something that's readable. So A through F. Wait, I've actually said it correctly. So if it's a 0, then it's just gonna print out 0. I can just easily do that. I'm gonna load what's in A over to B, so I have it secured. Wait, oh, no, wait. There's gonna be a lot of fun stuff I need to do with the stack. It's insane. Oh no. Oh no. I don't want to global the data that's already in the registers, because they might want to be used a little later for some other calculation. I could store them instead of in the stack. I could store them somewhere in the high memory, so I can easily push and pull on the data from any point. So I'm gonna set that up. I'm gonna have first. I'm gonna have a variable that's gonna specify where HL lives, then DE, BC, and AF afterwards. Oh wait, I can't actually pull F. It's just a flag, so it's A at the end. HL. No. HL address for high memory HL address. And I'm gonna say that's gonna be 90. After that, it's H, D, E, F, S. That's gonna take the previous one and add 2 because there's 2 bytes for each, except for A at the end. Easiest just to copy that. Wait. Just clone it over a few times. I'm gonna take DE and BC there. It's gonna be A there and BC there. Like so. Then I have the locations for that. You know what, I'm gonna have it on 80. For then it's right at the bottom. Then I can just say HL I wanna keep. That is. I want it to be a pushing part still for HL. Then I'm gonna have it load into H. The address for this was 0. Wait, no. It's gonna be for the A register. Then I load B. No. Load B into A. And load that into here. Plus 0. And then I just need to have it a few times down here. DE, DE, HL, HL, and then every other needs to be a 1. C, D, E, H, and L. And then there's something others it doesn't. Oh! It's using the wrong comment. It needs to be that. Okay. That should fix it. And it did. Goodie!
This is the moment, no turning back. One drop on your lips and the spell will take effect. Under the moonlight,
Yeah, that works.
stay close to my side. We're burning so bright. Feel the emotion, follow the signs. With this affection, you will be all mine. I'm pulling you closer to me. You're finding it harder to breathe. The magic is taking over your mind entirely.
Then I wanna get this. I wanna get the A again. I'm gonna load it into B so I have it temporary storage. That's gonna be a little quicker. Wait. I'm not gonna use those. And I don't need to do it with C either.
Let me go,
could actually take the H and L first. Yeah, I'm gonna. But I actually need to get the routine for that first. So call front load. Front load. It's gonna be at the bottom here, right above the font that it's gonna use. Like so. Wait, call reserve. Reserve it. So I'm gonna have one that's gonna preserve the registers first. So push HL push 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 B, B, C, AF return. And I don't need that because I can also have a tree back up HL E C A. Oh wait, I need to swap them around like so, and return. Call the tree back. And then I'm gonna load in this into memory. I'm gonna store what already were there. What should I? Would be best. But no. Not gonna. The first spot in memory. I need to find that. Easiest to find here because I actually have a memory map here. So the first memory location in internal RAM, that's E000. Oh wait, C000. I actually should make a little thing here to just have all the things logged in. So, see, that. And I'm gonna pull it from one of my other projects. Because I have a big list of stuff here. Or decently big at least. There's also some things I need to remove. Because they aren't needed. So I'm gonna create add some. Oh. Okay. Then it's already loaded. Cancel. There we go. Put that over. Remove that. because I don't need it. And there's these. There's this. We got that. Then I can just include it into the core here. Include. Then I'm gonna include this one. Then I have all these variables loaded into the file without any extra work needed. I should really document what they are exactly, with a little label. I'm gonna do that afterwards. A little comment like that. No. Can't be bothered a second at this moment. So if I take a look at variables here, I want the beginning of the tiles, this one. Address tile title 1 start. That's gonna be the starting point. So load HL. That. But then I'm just gonna overwrite what's in the first bit right here with the data I want. Actually wanna initialize this afterwards somewhere. So it's not clobbering the data. One thing. Then I'm gonna have a loop that goes in and actually takes the data that I want. So load DE, it's gonna take the front address, load that into there. Then I'm gonna have a loop in here. It's gonna be Hunt. And loop. Just to make sure that it's not gonna screw with anything else. And I'm gonna have load A from DE, increment DE, and load A increment. It's HL. That, and I need 2 of these. And it's gonna jump back, jump relative, back to front load loop. So that's just the beginning of it. I would need there's also a counter I want to get going, so if it isn't 8, it's gonna look back. So load BC, B is going to be black, and C is also going to be black. It's just to clear them out. So, clear those. I'm gonna increment C, and when C have gotten to 8, I'm gonna increment B. So, inc C. Then I wanna load AC, pair it with 8. Oh, wait. I don't need to do that. I can say, I can bit test it. Hey, Crystal! Ah. I was partially just waiting for you to just sneak by. And my voice changed because of it. Ah. Let's see, it was... I didn't need another calculator. This one's fine. If it's 8, it sets the high bit in the lower nibble. So I want to test bit 3 in C, and jump relative. If it's not 0, I think. Wow. When have you seen something that I do that's not wholesome? Okay, scratch that. Don't answer. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19. Yeah, I can't do the same trick here. No, no. You have nothing to say? No. That's... No. I didn't do anything there. No. I've never done nothing like that. No. No. Oh, I forgot to save that. That's why I doesn't. Oh. Finding a lot of mistakes. Oh, I can't do that. Oh, okay. I need to do something else than that. Oh. This ain't easy. Nah, I'm just gonna do this. There's no other way. Oh. It's gonna end up using a lot more, but rather than screwing it up. Oh. Okay. Running into issues I've made myself. And I need to do another thing. I'm gonna do it over here. I know I'm not gonna need to do anything special until I get over to this stuff. And Crystal, you're still here? Just wondering. Here it is. So I want LCD control. Nope, there it is. LCD. I want to set. No, is this the correct one? No. Searching for the answer. Should be LCD. LCD control function. No. You should state. No. Searching for something I can't find. That's not good. It's no good. A little bit. But I'm actually currently making stuff for you. Some tools that you would be able to use. As I told you on Discord. I don't remember. Stuff. I need to set some control stuff on the LCD. Oh, it is LCD control. No, it's just because it wraps over in a weird way. Oh. That's why I got confused. Stop. Completely no picture on screen. I wanna set that to 0. So I'm gonna load that as a 0 window. Don't care about it. Don't care about that. Yeah. I want the background tile selection. I could set everything off except bit 4 and bit 0. Yeah. And that's gonna be a 1. And that. There we go. Then I wanna load that into HLCD control from A. Then it sets the correct display stuff. And now I shouldn't be interrupted by loading in the font. I just do it freely. And C becomes that, says it is more. I want to reset C again. So reset 3 on C, just clearing it out. So oh yeah, that's right. Load A with C. And then compare it to zero B. If it's not, jump to this spot up here, which is this. No. You know what? Just gonna forget about that and just include a 0 byte on the end on all these. Oh. Oops. Makes the code a little easier to work with. This is just the beginning. I haven't even gotten to the fun stuff yet. This is actually a really nice font. Ooh. because if I actually started it a little afterwards, because I don't want the first to be something, because I want a clear byte or clear tile as well. So by doing that, I should just load everything in and still have that clear one. And I do. This is some great stuff. I could technically include the entire uppercase library of characters, but nah. Yeah. Wait. Sweetie, this is just the beginning. I've barely done anything yet. Yeah. Ooh. If you feel up for it, we could have a chat going on Discord, talk there, possibly. Oh. When you want to go for DCS, and if you don't have anyone to talk with, I would definitely like to take advantage of that situation, possibly, where I can talk with you. If you want to. Wait, oh no, I actually need to do that. Yeah. I thought I could just continue the link, but no. Ooh. Ooh. That's nice. That's okay. I don't mind that. Just means I need to yeah, snatch you up a little later.
Was it the voice? Was it the fire burning in me? Noise turned into choirs of harmony. Left me with the pieces of forever that you broke. But since
Got it. Uh-huh. Functions exactly the same, but it actually doesn't depend on anything now. I can just add more characters and it loads it. My boy doing the multitask. I'm loading in a decent amount of tile data. Oh. Oh. It continues when it shouldn't. That's not good. Wait a second. Oh. Instead of doing that, I can decrease C and jump back. That's a little less code. And it runs a tiny bit faster. Yay. And it should just work. Let me see. Notes that it did. Yes! Worked! It worked! It worked! I just saved some bytes of code. Like, I saved 3 bytes. No, 2 bytes. Yes! And those 2 bytes also helped me speed up the code a tiny bit, because I don't... Well, the load takes the same amount of stuff, but the compare takes 2 machine cycles. Oh no, 8. Hey. Well, I noticed you were streaming, and how did it go? Oh. That's awesome. And then I'm just sitting here, being the goof that programs. Isn't really surprising me, for some reason. It's been chill, just barely woke up for a few hours ago. And yeah, I remembered. I'm meant to stream at this time, so I jumped on and yeah, I'm sitting here, being the goof I'm always. And then I wanna move it again. Wait, first. Hang on. And then add it. You were just popping heads. I would guess it's TF2. TF2 spy. Just slaughtering all of them. Ooh. I definitely get why they were toxic then. Like, oh, getting demolished by one single spy. Oh. If I had someone that just went on me, a spy, and got me just 4 times, I would start to get anxious. Like hell. So it's kind of their fault that they put themselves on your crosshair. They were asking for it. Don't just get mad over your own choice. And let me see. I wanna. Ooh. I can put that into H. I can load HL with the address I want. Let me see. What was it? Address. Background. You start. Yeah. I'm gonna fiddle with that stuff a little later because I wanna, first of all, find out what's in A. So, load B with A so I have a backup. Let me just get used to it. Have E with my backup. And I can have B for backup, yeah. A little bit. But it's kind of their own fault that they put themselves into the position they got. So that's just sad for them. And it like that. So then I have the first byte. I actually I wanna do it the opposite way because then I can go from left to right, which is gonna be a little easier. But first I wanna load A with character A. So 1, 2, 3, 4, wait, that's 11. Thanks. So just need to go one beyond and then I actually have it. Load that into what's pointed on HL and increment it as well. Like so. And wait, I would actually like a little table of cons, just data that I can pull from. So I'm gonna have the table underneath here. So it's see, make view table. DB I want to have three bytes. That's gonna specify what is what. And since it's not set up to be ASCII, I need to hard-code it in bytes. So first of all, 0 is the clear tile. Then I want A, which is B. And then I want the colon, which is X11. The next is gonna be for B and C. So C and B, and then it ends at 11 again. And F. Wait, I actually want 13 because H is 11. Oh, wait, oh, that's 10. Well, I kinda get it, but again, I don't. Oh, it was correct, okay. Wow. Just trying to confuse myself a little bit here. There we go. Well, I kinda confused myself, but not really. And I want H, which is 11, and then 12 for L. Okay. Nice. Nice. Then I can just take the lookup table, and I need an incremental counter that could be E. No, wait, that's gonna be C because I'm gonna use the E as what's loaded from the stack. There we go. Now I also can see the flags. Because I actually load that in here onto the stack, and then I can just push it off, get it off easily. AF is the first one. I need to load BE. Oh, BC. Load BC with 0. But then I can use C as what register I'm currently working with. The 16-bit register. When it's 0, it's just gonna be this one. 1, 2, and 3. It's gonna have an offset of 3 for each. Streams like this usually don't really get any activity, but it's nice to see a little bit. I can't even really talk about anything else but this, for if I do, I'm gonna end up losing the thread that I'm trying to follow with my thoughts, but that's just how it is. If I lose that thread, I'm gonna sit here for a few minutes trying to figure out where I was. So, better not. But I got that position, which I need to... Wait. I'll try not to let it take over the entire day with me just sidestepping what I wanna try and do. And then I just need to use a lot of time finding out where I was and what I was doing. I still want to spend some time with your Crystal. A lot of time. When you can. Oh, I'm actually hitting 2 hours soon. I've barely touched anything. Programming is slow, especially like this. Finding out stuff, writing it down a little bit, and just, yeah, chatting. But this is definitely way more complex than I've ever tried to learn in school, because that was just simple, yeah, high-level programming. This is actual challenge, a good challenge for me. No. You're cute, not me. Wait, I can actually use the E to load this in the beginning. Would be a little more smart to do. So I take load. Wait, first I wanna take this, put that in there. Load. Then I'm gonna add HL with BC, then load it. D with H, load E with L, so I have moved it over. Hey, Crystal! Now you're gonna see me just nerd, just hardcore nerding. I'm gonna load HL with that is background. Let's do one. No, set background data set 0. Start. Wait, you do? Oh? Are you into programming? Maybe. Have you tried to before? Or maybe wanted to? Have you wanted to try and program? Okay. I was just asking, have you wanted to maybe try and program before? Oh. Yes. Oh, yeah, this is actually the first time you two have tried to talk. But, yeah, Crystal, this is my boyfriend, Crystal. Okay, that's really odd to say. I could also use my boyfriend's real name. If it should be a little easier to understand, but yeah. Oh, well, one of his names. Go. And then I can check right. Okay, and I can to move it back. I feel like that has started to just be the thing you say all the time. But it's cute. My cute boy. I could just do that. Easy. And there. No further confusions. Oh yeah, no. I do need to. I need that extra fight. So, I can't speak. Please help. And there we go. Now it should actually go in and load stuff. So it goes in, writes the first, hit there, and I need to go down there. AF, nice, it works, it works. Wait, who are you sending hugs and snuggles to? Who is it? I always have some kind of music going. Makes it a little more interesting. Just to chill.
Time for a love potion, a little sweet and spice. Throw it all in a cauldron, mix it up real nice. Fire in my eyes, stir counterclockwise. I dream of you all night. Feel with the ocean, follow the signs. With this love potion, you will be all mine. I'm pulling
I'm gonna optimize this afterwards. Just trying to get it to do stuff.
This is the moment, no turning back. One drop on your lips and the spell will take effect. Under the moonlight, stay close to my side. We're burning so bright. Oh, 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 oh. Feel the emotion, follow the signs. With this love potion, you will be all mine. I'm pulling you closer to me. You're finding it harder to breathe. The magic is taking over your mind entirely. I'm the only one that you see. I got what you want, what you need. Before you know it, you are falling deep in love with me. Little sweet and spice. Now that I made a love potion for you. Hey, yeah. Little sweet and spice. Yeah. Made a love potion for you. Feel the emotion, follow the signs. With this love potion, you will be all mine. Feel the emotion, follow the signs. With this love potion, you will be all mine.
With frost, cold night and the winter hot cold. Sorry that I fall away sometimes. Sorry that I fall away sometimes. Yeah, yeah. The end, got to end it all on the weekend. Sorry that I feel that way sometimes. Sorry that I feel that way sometimes. Oh, oh, yeah. You don't really wanna know me. Hanging in the corner with a nosebleed. High on whatever they sold me. That's the old me, yeah. 6 years later trying to find me. Still trying to figure out the line piece. Looking for the love inside me, inside me. like this life.
Wait, how can I... Found something I could do. And increment what's in HL. And as the 4 registers, if bit 4, no, 2 is set in what's printed by HL is set, I'm not gonna jump back. But otherwise, I'm gonna go back up here and redo it. Wait, I get that. I confirm. Okay, I need to see what's going on with this. Perhaps that. I'm taking it into. Wait a second. I only do one of them. That's the issue. I need to have another one. But this time it's E. I'm gonna do it on. Okay. People are just swapping in and out. It's nice.
Time for a love potion, a little sweet and spice. Throw it all in a cauldron, mix it up real nice. Fire in my eyes.
It should do that. There we go.
Dream of you all night.
Needed to remove a pump. Oh yeah, I actually need to increase it by 1. So, okay. Okay. I'm genius. Forgetting to change stuff. Oh. There we go. It goes back up. Let's see. Maybe it's gonna print. Oh. Oh. There we go. I'm a genius. I forgot to store where it needed to put the things, so it just overwrote what was there. I'm a smart boy. Absolutely bloody genius. And there we are. Just a little offset. Like so. I'm gonna increase this by 1 so it's centered. Eee. Wait. And hit 1 on C if that's set. If it isn't, I'm gonna skip next part here. Review. Let's see. It's gonna go to that, otherwise it's gonna increase HL as some number. So it's currently at that position there, over here. And I would need to go from there over to here. I would need to take that, add a number. Let's go there. Oh, number stuff. It's great. I need to add C. 12. Good. Otherwise, I'm gonna do this. After new line. But then I'm gonna have separate code. I'm gonna add... Wait. Load C into A. Add C. Load it back into C. And then I'm gonna jump down to this after I've done this part here. Then I wanna I wanna load A with C again. Subtract C from it and load it back over. And that's it. Ooh. Ooh, hoo, 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 hoo. And that should do it. Nope. Oh, no, I didn't. And then it goes up, you know. Oh, I swapped them around, that's why. That's why it doesn't do it. Small mistakes screws everything up. Oh, that wasn't quite it. And I go back. It is as it should be. It doesn't jump. Loads that over. Adds C to it. Loads it back. Increments. Oh. Ah, I see my fault here. Then I need to add the carry on A, and again here, and then load it over to B. or else it's skewing it up. See ya! This is such a hacky way to do it, but it should work. A second. I'm doing that to the wrong place. Oh, damn. That's completely wrong. Load A with C, compare it to 2, Vulcan. If it's not 0, then jump over to here. Yeah. Same line. If it is what it should be, and I'm gonna load DE. DE gonna be C, add HL, DE, and that's it. And now that it goes over there, then it's gonna do this. And it's at the right place now. So it can continue loading. Like so. And then it exits. Wait. It does. It does. That's one thing. It overwrites what was in HL, in the stack before. Of course, I do this. Oh. Then I would actually like to add, go over, load A with H, load high, with H, L, then load A with L, load high, then it's the same spot, except it's one afterwards. Think so? Yeah. Hey, honey. love you. There we go. Now I'm not screwing up the stack. Oh, now I'm just sitting here by myself. Wait, I can't do that.
Show me loving. I need your loving. 'Cause I'm drowning in something and I can't come out. Just show me loving. I need loving.
Aww.
Me, myself, and love. Let me talk to a crushing heart. I want you to know how bad it hurts. You got me beside along my heart. Are you dreaming of me now? The way I do.
Oh, I see the error now. I need to load that again. Don't just copy paste, check your code. If it's done in the wrong order, stuff will wake. Nice. That's nice. Oh, it works. It works. And it's not gonna render this for a good while.
Let me go, there's no doubt. Gotta get out of this small town. You took my heart from me. Now you're everywhere I see. Set me free, let me fly. Let me find new kinds of highs. We're just wasting here, waiting for another year. We both know the score. We've been here once before. So many words unspoken. You took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait. I can take the pain. I will surrender. Let me go on a new adventure.
Hmm.
On a new adventure. On a new adventure.
Oh. Oh, that's right. Didn't change that thing.
Let me go, it's my time. Watch me build another life. Find another space. Explore the world and find my place. Hope you find some peace of mind. Hope the night was worth your time. Threw my heart away. We won't see another day. We both know the score. We've been here once before. So many words unspoken. You took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait. I can take the pain. I will surrender. Let me go.
This is so nice. And then I gotta load HL. What is it now? Load HLSP. Wait. SP dot minus 8. Load SP with HL. That should fix that. I hope. I need to go down to this part. Yes, sir, it does. And I can return safely.
Time for a love potion, a little sweet and spice.
Now I just need a loop
Throw it all in a cauldron, mix it up
like
real
this.
nice.
Then put onto that loop.
Counterclockwise, a dream
Then it's just gonna sit there afterwards. Oh yeah, need to enable display again. I forgot.
This is the moment, no turning back. One drop on your lips and the spell will take effect. Under the moonlight, stay close to my side. We're burning so bright.
Yeah.
Feel the devotion, follow the signs. With this devotion, you will be all mine. I'm pulling you closer to me. You're finding it harder to breathe. The magic is taking over your mind entirely.
Then I got a simple register viewer.
What you want, what you need. Before you know what you are falling deep in love with me.
That's nice. That's real nice.
Made a love potion for you. Hey, yeah. Made a love potion for you. Feel the devotion.
I would also need a clear debug area. Mm. Yeah. This should be able to run outside of that. I think. No, it can't. Hiding. Instantly control. There. Here's bit 7. It does that. Bit 4 changes that. Tile data selection. I don't want to have that do it. I don't want to change the tile area. So that should be it. No? What have I done? What did I do? Oh, no, don't see. Reload. Okay, let's see. The first one is that. And I start that. I don't need tile map display selection. I would like it to use that and one for that. Gonna make it so it just decides that automatically what, or well, where it wanna load.
Hold me, lover. I need you, lover. 'Cause I'm
Aw.
falling in too quickly and I can't break free. Just hold me, lover. I need you, lover. Me and myself ain't enough. It's like being alone in a crashing car. I need you to know how bad it hurts. Hearing the sound of my broken heart. Are you dreaming of me now? The way I do. Are you dreaming of me now? The way I do.
Oh. I can't figure it out. Something is going on that shouldn't happen. Hmm. Oh, what is it? What's happening? Are you making sure that audio is actually getting through? Well, I'm gonna give you a little crash course then. So, first of all, you would need to check if you actually have set the right audio input. If that's correct, then you need to make sure that the gain is set as it should be. After that, there should be audio. Sorry that I'm not just specifying what you need to do, but I'm working. I'm gonna make it so it actually finds out what address it needs to load automatically. This is a little annoying. So load high, it's gonna be H LD control. It's gonna test bit number, what is it? 1, 2, 3. It's bit 3. A. Based on the answer from that, it's gonna do one of two things. If it's set, I would like it to use this one. And if it's not, it needs to jump down to here. Turn. And then it's this, but times 0. So this one up here, one go to. So this is a little else if statement basically. If one thing, it's gonna do that. If another, then it's gonna do that other thing. Oh, need to Mac them. Like so. Now it should load the correct one of those. Right. Yeah. Okay, see ya. Oh.
If I could slow down the clock,
changing a lot of stuff here. There we go. Oh. Oh. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It's. I need to check that.
Let me go, there's no doubt. Gotta get out of this small town. You took my heart from me, now you're everywhere I see. Set me free, let me fly, let me find new kinds of
There we go.
eyes. We're just wasting here, waiting for another year. We both know the score, we've been here once before. So many words unspoken, you took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait, I can take the pain. I will surrender, let me go on a new adventure. On a new adventure. On a new adventure.
You know, Hex. Kinda.
Let me go, it's my time. Watch me build another life. Find another space. Explore the world and find my place. Hope you find some peace of mind. Hope the night was worth your time. Threw my heart away. We won't see another day. We both know the score. We've been here once before. So many words unspoken. You took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait, I can take the pain. I will surrender, let me go. It's a new adventure. On a new adventure. You'll find me dancing on my own. Nowhere to be, nowhere to go. In the rhythm, I don't think of you. Don't call me up when you're feeling blue. You'll find me dancing on my own. Nowhere to be, nowhere to go. In the rhythm, I don't think of you. Let me go. It's a new adventure. On a new adventure.
With froze, cold night and the winter hot cold. Sorry that I fall away sometimes. Sorry that I fall away.
Oh, it still doesn't like it there. Okay. That's what's going on. Wait, I actually need to flip the bytes. Hmm. I'm thinking of stopping in not too long. Oh, yeah. Me lazy. What? It's actually the bytes that needs to be flipped. Hmm. Oh no. Oh no. Hmm. Hey, it's been a while. How's it going with you? Ah. Wait. Yeah. Hmm. Hmm. If you're interested, we could jump over there at one point. But I'm actually thinking of stopping the stream and not too terribly long because oh, there's a lot of code I need to make some comments for, so I'm not just gonna forget what I've done. And that's a little dry for a stream. But let's start us on to flip all bits. I don't need to move them, I just need to flip the bytes. So if I do this, 3E, let's see how that is, and then I can just go in here. Nice. It's actually some development tool that's gonna make it easier for people to program for the Gameboy. It is mainly intended for my my boyfriend, but I'm gonna use this for videos as well when I finally get around to actually doing some video stuff about this.
Was it the voice? Was it the fire burning in me?
Oh,
All of the noise turned into choirs of
I screwed up.
left me with the pieces of forever
Mm,
that you
Three, no, 3E. This one was actually correct.
I've been
So. Well, at least to see some stuff directly on the display. But I'm just gonna have it as it is, right? Like, I actually don't need to compile this, so it's fine. I have a working version right here. So it doesn't really do much, it just shows what's in the registers, and I need to flip the font completely in the code. But other than that, it is actually displaying the right stuff. It shows what's inside of A, what's inside of C, D, yeah, A, F, B, C, D, E, and H, L. It's a little off with A and F, but it's because I modified it afterwards. So it's different. It has taken me basically 3 hours to get to this point. 3 whole hours. So that's a lot of fun. Just sitting doing not too much. E6. And I don't have any way to actually move that around. Just flip the bytes in code because I'm using all the registers and it will end up making the initialization of font way too slow. Yeah, it is. And it's mostly just figuring out how to do the things without destroying the data that I already had. So yeah, that's a fair bit of stuff inside of here. Yeah, it's a good amount of things. But it works without any issues. So I'm happy for that. I didn't even really need to do much, actually, but it looks like a lot when you're just looking at the first part here. Just that alone, this selection. Oh, almost 1,400 characters of code. Ooh. Well, I'm just usually just hitting Control S all the time. And I can, if I want to go back, I can just Control C a lot. Or Control Y to move forward. So it's not really an issue with having stuff in the way it is. I might actually do this off stream. It's such a pain to just sit here and do this one byte at a time. So I need to flip these around in my head without making mistakes. Or else the font is gonna look odd. That's not good. Let's put this one. Well, if you're not used to really doing much with stuff like this, then it's not something that you would really think of, because it's mostly when you do a lot of word processing or code like this, you would like to use Control C and Control Z and Y a lot. Ah. E6. And now the last byte here. It's actually the same as the first one because it's 0. It's just 2 bytes, that's the same. Should have seen it, but I did it anyways. So now the 0 is flipped as it should be. Now I have 12 more to go. 12 more characters. Wait, I don't really need to do it. The colon. The semicolon. All I need to do is just flip these two around and make it over to 2 and 2. Okay. Wait, no. Actually, it is 2-0. Just paste it over these, and that should be correct. That's luckily not something I need to endure anymore. Like, I'm a free bird. I'm doing my own stuff. Most of the time, at least. Well, I'm not sure how lucky it is, but it is nice to just be able to do your own stuff. That's 62. Oh, it should be at least. Takes a while to go through all this, and I'm gonna check it real quick. Does it initialize stuff correctly? Oh. Oh. Needs to be 3. Let's see, what was C? E is those two. And yeah, it is 3. I needed to load in. God damn. God damn. And compile again. And there we go. That's correct. L is correct. H isn't. Three. That's just shifting it so it becomes CC. And all 3s need to be that. And then there's this one. That's gonna be a little different. FC. Like so. Now H should be correct as well. Actually, I'm gonna have a that to mark as I've done that, so I'm not forgetting. And let's see. Yep, H is correct now as well. And if I go down there, nice. Wait, what are you talking about with that?
I will carry you home. I will carry you home. When you got nowhere to go, I need you to know I will carry you home. Carry you home. I will carry you home. I will carry you home. When you got nowhere to go, I need you to know I will carry you home. Carry you home.
F4 became 2. 6 2. 6 8. E became 7. 6 8. 6 2. And F. Wait. F.
Carry you home.
Okay. See ya. It's odd. I said I wanted to do this off stream, but I'm still continuing. It's just in case, I guess. Three becomes what? C. C and F8. Oh, forgot to compile it. That's why I didn't show any change. There we go. I've started to have a grasp on this now, being able to flip them easily. Because I've started to memorize the patterns. See what did that? Oh wait. 3. Wasn't that C? Oh, it was C. So if C 6 6 6, that becomes 7C. Or does it? 3. Yeah, becomes that. Well, this becomes, yeah, it was 6 6 6. F C. CC FC CC. So 830. Oh, the C, I didn't flip that. Oh. Oh. Wait, what?
Hold me, lover. I need you, lover. 'Cause I'm falling in too quickly and I can't break free. Just hold me, lover. I need you, lover. Me and myself ain't enough. It's like being alone in a crashing car. I need you to know how
Oh.
hearing the sound of my broken
Damn.
dreaming of me now, the way I do. Are you dreaming of me now, the way I do?
That should do it. Nope, not quite. G. It's odd. I see. I actually don't want to flip that. Oh, whoa! What was that? Hey! Thanks for the follow, and also someone subscribed on my on my YouTube as well. Like, thank you. You're actually catching me with one of the rare streams that I do, because most people isn't really interested in this, so I'm not really doing them. If you ask me, it's a little odd. But, I can't really control people. And I wish there was an easier way to flip something. I could do it in code, but nah. Oh. That's the thing, I barely find anyone that understands what this is about. So I'm usually just sitting with it by myself. Should I do that? Oh, no, I don't want to flip that. So that's correct. I'm doing well, yes. Yeah. Just sitting here flipping around bits and bytes. Oh. It's not sitting the right position. And did I notch the 9? No, it's correct. A isn't. This is annoying to do. Oh. That's right, number 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one. There we are. Oh. Well, that's actually how it kinda started for me. Playing around with Redstone, started to figure out how to program because I wanted something a little more technical. And now I'm doing this. Screwing around with assembly code. If you asked little young me what I possibly would end up doing, I wouldn't imagine this at all. I should have found out a way to do this easier. Just changing bytes one by one to fix a font. It's tedious. And I'm missing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more. I'm currently working on a little kind of debugging tool of some kind with a lot of different things that could be used to test your code to see if it does what you want. So that's basically what I'm doing. Right now it's really basic, but it works at least. Let's do that one as well. 2 is fixed now. At least it should be. No, wait, it was 1. Eh. Next one is 2, which is C 60. This becomes 38. Just trying to flip this. It takes 8 years. I hope so. I wish there was an easier way, but no. If I want a font that's quick to print out, then I need to do this. And there's no tools for it. At least not as I know of, without me needing to program it. So I'm just gonna do it the manual way. It works. A little tedious, but it works. And I'm definitely gonna remember a lot of these. Possibly I might remember some of these combinations of how they change over to another if they get flipped, but I don't think I'm gonna. Not for long. So 2 and 3 should be flipped the right way now. And they are. Now it's only 4, 5, 6 and 7 I'm missing. So it kinda does, yeah. I can't really deny that, because it really does look like it. That becomes FECC. Excuse me, just saying them out loud. I'm not trying to trip myself up. This becomes 1. Have you tried to play around with command blocks before in Minecraft? Oh, oops. I shouldn't have dealt with the first one. Ooh. That's 8-3. What was 8-3? Oh. And let me just redo it. It's bit number. So the first needs to be 3. Then it's. Wait, no. It's 1. Then I want those 2. Let's see. Aha! I do remember that. Ah, well. Okay. And now I need to flip the 5. So first, that's 7, 8. CC. 0, C. 0, C. F8, C0, and FC. There we go. Six is flipped. Now it's just 7 left. I don't need to touch that. And FC. And I'm done with that. I'm done flipping the bytes. Ah. I wish I noticed it beforehand, but I've grown to like these characters. They look nice. So I want to keep them. And it actually this is rather basic debugging for now. I'm just showing what's in the registers that holds temporary values. Well, not really temporary, but the working values. Each of them can hold a value from 0 to 255. So A, currently 0. Then we have B, that's also 0. C, 0. D, that's 2. E, that is currently... What is it? That's 158. Then we have H, that's 129, and L is 64. It is a little different over here because it changed one thing here. So A isn't quite what it should be because it went over to a loop afterwards. Other than that, it is correct. It was to actually enable the display again. For if I don't, it won't actually display all the characters because the chip that displays stuff goes in and screws with it a little bit. I can show you this. If I don't have it where it's disabled, and then I try to run it, it'll actually miss some values and set some stuff incorrectly. Like this, it should be a 0, but since the chip that displays stuff on the screen, it was actually trying to get data at that time, so it just forgot that it was meant to do something. I could alleviate it by making a little wait loop or something, but I'd rather just disable the display and then turn it on again. And now that I'm saying it, I could do it inside of here. technically. So first of all, I'm gonna do it in this one and then set it back when it's done loading stuff. Then I need another copy of that up here, and this one needs to be at the bottom here somewhere, like so. So now I don't actually need that. It just does it without me needing to tell it in the main code. And then it's also the correct value, as it should be. I'm actually gonna do what I need to do here as well. Make sure that it isn't destroying the data that's already in the registers, because I'm using all of them, and if one thing doesn't match afterwards, it might screw up. Did I compile? I'm not sure. Did it memories? So now it's actually what it is when it boots up. Now it just displays exactly what it is right at boot. I can even show it by restarting it. So now that I've done that, I can just run it. It still displays the starting values over here, and it actually displays the right ones right from boot. So I'm not destroying any data that actually was there at the beginning. Wait, will we? I'm amazed. Oh no, I can't speak now. That's not good. But I'm mainly just working my own ass off here. So I'm not really explaining what I'm doing or anything, but if that's the case, I'm impressed. But yeah, I got stuff loaded in, as it should be. There's no issues. I've even got a tiny bit of code that checks where it actually needs to store the tiles, and also what background map it needs to put the tile information in. And that it does it automatically when it just runs it. I don't need to change anything at all. Oh, that's actually one thing. Load H. I need to load the proper register for this. I just remembered, it does actually change something I don't want, which is all the tile addresses, where it puts them, the background map, and some other things like if object is shown and all that. I don't want it to alter that in these debug scripts. So I would need to do that somewhere else, like where it's a where it doesn't store something, it just alters it. So with this, it actually does exactly that. And I need to set it again so it actually displays stuff. And I need to do it here and here as well. So now it doesn't alter the register. And because I didn't change anything, it's just gonna boot up and I still show the Nintendo logo with replaced characters because of it, but it does display stuff correctly now because of it, without altering that one register that much. It's just one thing, and that's it. But I think that's good enough for now. Wait a second, I could do something. That's actually fine. But I think that's enough for today with the streaming. I've been going for almost 4 hours. And I've done a decent amount of work. I've gotten a basic register view going, so I can see what's inside those. And now I just need to just go ahead and take a little break or something. I will work a little on it afterwards. Possibly stream that as well. But for now, I'm gonna take my hat off and just take a little rest. Get a snack, some food or something. And yeah. I'll be right back after that. So, see ya peeps.